home na tayo guys. After na tapos na tayo deliver sa Norala Sultan Kudarat. Ayan. So dito pa tayo sa may Coronadal, papuntang city, Coronadal City, South Cotabato. Next delivery guys, mayan hapon, bukas. Walang tulugan na to guys. Going to Zamboanga City. Layo. Please subscribe to my channel guys. Please support, like and comment. Any questions, any clarifications with regards to how to be a quail raisers, quail farming, feel free to comment guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the city of Coronadal. So this is Coronadal City, South Cotabato. Ayan. Ayan guys. So uwi na kami guys. Uwi na kami ng bukid. Prepare naman para sa hapon. Oh man, before that pala, may kukunin kami sasakyan for rent. Magrenta kami ng sasakyan guys, papuntang Zamboanga. Kasi maraming orders na mga taga Zamboanga. Buenos dias, amigos, amigas, Zamboangueños, Chabacanos. Punta kami dyan mamaya. Delivery ng mga pugo. Ready to lay. Ready to lay quails. So, yan. Busy-busy minsan. Kailangan magsikap. Hindi ka magsikap, walang kainin. Yan, ganyan ang buhay natin guys. Kailangan nating kumayod para sa ating pamilya. Laban lang, laban sa hamon ng buhay. Sikap at tiyaga. Sikap at tiyaga lang guys. Para maging matagumpay ang buhay. Para hindi maghirap ang buhay. Ayan. South Cotabato Sports Complex yun dyan guys. Coronadal City. Ito na yun. Ito na yung Coronadal City. So marami ding mga building. So dito lang tayo dadaan. Papunta naman tayo ng Jensan. Jensan ba ta? Pulumulok lang. Okay, fine. Pulumulok di, malapit lang. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. God bless you all. See you on my next content guys. Bye. Take care everyone. Hi guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Tupi Town, Municipality of Tupi, South Cotabato. Ito yung town namin guys. Tupi, South Cotabato. in between General Santos City and Coronadal City. Yan. Ayan guys. Meron palang Jollibee on wheels dito. Ayan, Jollibee on wheels. Ayan, pwede ka bumili dyan. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the support. God bless you all. Oh man guys, I'm going to drive that Strada pick up. Nag-rent kami guys ng isang sakyan papuntang Zamboanga. So ako ang mag-drive. Ito yan guys, sa may Ulong-Ulong South Cotabato. Yan. So yan yung sakyan. Problema, 5 taon na akong di nag-drive guys. Hindi ko na alam mag-drive. Ayan, kasi mamaya papunta sila ng Zamboanga City. Delivery ng ready to lay na whales. Ayan guys, nakauwi na rin guys. Man, hirap guys. Ang hirap pagka yung tagal ka nang hindi nakadrive. Balik kami ng farm guys. Barangay Cabluan, Tupi, South Cotabato. Diyan, papuntang Mount Matutong. Oh God, thank you Lord. Finally, dito na rin kami sa farm. Ay, thank you Lord. Finally, dito na rin. Good boy, Walter. Good boy. Walter is just sitting. Yeah. There. So, baba niyan guys is yung farm namin. Hi. Thank you Lord for the safe drive. Safe travel for us with this little boy. My God. Thank you so much Lord. Ang hirap because 5 years hindi ako nakadrive, tapos may bata pa akong dinadala. Buti na lang nagganyan lang siya, nagtamsak lang siya dyan. Hindi siya good boy Walter ha. Sana lagi kang ganyan. Ayan, dito na kami guys, sa bahay namin sa bukid. Yan guys, yan. Nag-deliver kami ng pugo. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe guys. Help me guys. Thank you so much for your support. Bye.